It's early. It's been 2 days since I started Keto Salad Week. And I said in my last video that the only thing I'm going to put in my body for 7 days in terms of food is keto salad. That's not true. I'm also going to have coffee. And with my coffee, I make it the keto way. The good stuff. Hey guys, proceed with caution with the heavy cream, all right? Measure it. Know how many calories you're putting in your coffee, because it's really easy to put 400 or 500 calories of heavy cream into a coffee. When it's easy to measure your ingredients, make sure you measure your ingredients. I put a little bit of this in my coffee every morning, about half of a tablespoon. Maybe a little bit more sometimes, but it can also kind of overwhelm the coffee where it's just all oily. And every morning, do yourself a favor. Put a little cinnamon in your coffee. Also, if you'd like, a little turmeric. You guys hear me talk about turmeric in a lot of recipes. 6 months ago, I had a tremendous amount of swelling in my body, and I thought I was going to have knee surgery. For the last 2.5 months or so, I have had almost no swelling in my body. And I really think a lot of that is being on keto diet, and also putting things like turmeric and cinnamon in my coffee and anywhere I can into my diet. This is what makes it, people. So stop, go to the store, buy a cat cup, come back, and comment below that you have a cat cup. I don't have a cat, but I have a cat cup. I've been using this same coffee mug for, I think, about 14 or 15 years now, every morning. Ooh, it smells good. Coffee, press, French press, and boom. Hey, I'm no Peter McKinnon. This is pretty simple, but it's really, really good. Okay, if you're making videos just at home, you want to learn about cameras and video equipment, and just an entertaining dude to watch, I'm just going to send you guys over to Peter McKinnon. You can hit his little tag up here or on one of these sides. All right, everyone, I'm Jeff Kauffman. This is my vlog. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video.